Hi, I'm Lou Bernardi. I'm the founder of BrightPath Benefits in Melville, New York. We are essentially an employee benefits agency specializing in all types of benefits, but a particular specialty in group health insurance plans. I've been in the business for about 34 years, and I've seen the industry of healthcare and health insurance change dramatically since the implementation of managed care, which really was designed to keep the consumer in the dark. These days, and really for the last 8 years of my career, we have changed everything about our agency to focus on plan sponsors, their members, patients, helping people really navigate and better understand the healthcare and the health insurance ecosystems. The deliberate attempt by both of those ecosystems to keep the consumer in the dark has really perpetuated increasing premiums every year on group health insurance plans, decreasing, diminishing benefits, and really an unsustainable health insurance and healthcare system. What we do is we use AI. We use best-in-class solution partners. Of course, we use insurance companies when we have to, especially their networks. But when possible, we are building high-performance health plans that really mitigate the artificial cost of healthcare and health insurance. We use AI to help people access and identify the very best doctors so that they can get the top care. And we use direct contracting, self-insurance, stop loss when applicable to help companies save dramatically. Examples of that savings are a company in New Jersey, a very large veterinary hospital system with about 400 employees, about 300 of which are on their health plan, reduced their cost by $1.2 million in year one. And that was not by shifting costs onto employees. It was actually identical benefits, exact same copays they had previously, just better partners. We're working with the best in class solution partners that supplement health insurance plans. What I'm really passionate about, and I just finished my book actually this week called Inside the Healthcare Heist. It is really there to elevate the IQ of CEOs, CFOs, re-engage with the C-suite so that they can work with us and HR as a team to build smarter health insurance plans. It's no secret that healthcare, health insurance is costing businesses significantly. It's a top two or three expense for most companies, but it doesn't have to be. There is a dividend sitting within your health insurance plan that can be redistributed back to you and your employees, put it into your growth fund, and use that to really help your business excel. A health insurance plan doesn't have to be the burden that it is too often. It can really be a differentiator. It can be a competitive advantage if you know how to build it properly. And that's really where we excel here at BrightPath Benefits. So I welcome any connections. Look for a copy of my book. I think it's in the AVCCI website under authors. We are not just your own average run-of-the-mill insurance broker focused on insurance premiums. We are focused on building high-performance health plans for businesses of all sizes. We have solutions for small groups, large groups, and mid-size employers. The solutions are plentiful. It's the approach. We call it the plan system, prioritizing employee health, leveraging technology, aligning for proper outcomes, and navigating the healthcare system. That's the mindset we've created. We're working with companies that are doing this every day. Look forward to connecting with like-minded business owners who really don't want to continue to pay 5, 10%, or even more than that every single year for something they have very little insights in. Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.